Useme Okombe. Okombe. Sijasikia Okombe. Sema champion. It's a very sad day for someone to be from Fiji today. Are there any Fijians in the house? I think up there in the Pacific, in the villages and in the cities of Fiji, they are wondering how a nation that many people did not associate with any other sports apart from athletics has lifted the trophy. So let's give a big hand to all our champions. Let's finish. Our players are very tired, but let me talk about money. The ministry, and we have spoken to your chairman, RFU, will be giving you 2 million from now to pay whatever is pending. And then tomorrow we are going to make an announcement when we go to State House to see His Excellency the President. He sends his regards. He's very proud of you. He's busy now in Naivasha, but tomorrow in the afternoon we'll take the team there. So 2 million straight from the ministry to tide over anything that is pending, and then we will announce the awards that we'll give you tomorrow at State House. 5 million! Alafu, yes. We congratulate you again. You got here, and we were together at the time when rugby was seen to be almost disappearing. We were together with the boys, and we knew one day this day will come. Well done. This trophy has never been touched by anyone in Kenya before. You are the first. Well done, and God bless you. Equally, we have the veteran team of 1986 here. Where are you? Raise your hand.
Somewhere.
I think the guys who played.
Vitisia, Belsoy.
Yeah, they're outside. But we appreciate you because it's the journey that you started that has been completed by these able men and women. Today is a great day also. The anti-doping bill has been passed by Parliament.
Olympics here we come.
So Olympics here we come, and will be the baddest you have ever seen. So get ready, guys. I know you're tired, but focus now on Olympics. And I'll ask the RFU chairman, if there's any problem, let us know so that we can stand by you. Let me thank Kenya Airways. Let me thank Kenya Airways from the bottom of my heart. They stood with us at the hardest moment. They stood with rugby at the most difficult time. And I know Kenya Airways knows one or two things about turbulence. So when you hit very rough turbulence, they stood with us. And thank you, Mbuvi. Thank you, Chairman. Thank you all. Just wave. Where we are today. So let's congratulate the founders. Yes. Wazee wa kazi. Wapigeni makofi. Of course. These are the founders. Haya. So let's end there. Okombe. Well done, Kenya. God bless you.